Hello everyone, welcome to Commands of the Day with Black Generation. Let's not waste more time and let's get down to business. Okay, so the first command is du, or disk usage, which mainly shows you how much space each directory in the current directory is consuming. Those figures on my left are the bytes. Alright, so the next command is disk file usage. This command shows you the usage of each and every directory or file in your Termux environment. As you can see, those bunch of figures are the bytes which are consumed. You can proceed the df command with -h so that it shows you human readable sizes. In this case, you can see that the files, user data and data media are consuming more space in my environment. Alright, it can also show you the percentages. Okay, so the next command is cow, which shows you the calendar and the current date highlighted in white. The next command is date, which shows you the current date and day. So I think date is the best command there. The next command is the proc commands. Mainly these commands shows you various info. For example, the command I've just typed, it shows you the memory info of your system. The next command is proc CPU info. This command simply shows you CPU information of your system. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this concludes this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can receive notification whenever I release a new video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below, like and share the video with your friends so that they may learn the good stuff as well. This is Black Generation, more life, more music, signing out. Peace.